In this video, I'll show you the simplest and most effective ways to get free credits in Emergent AI. No complicated steps, no guessing, just clear methods you can use right away. Make sure you watch until the end, because there's a bonus tip that can save you money. Let's start with the easiest free method. Click the official link in the description and create your free account. Once your account is active, 10 free credits are added automatically every month. There's no credit card required, and you don't need to enable anything. Just sign up, log in, and your monthly free credits are ready to use. After logging in, look at the top of your dashboard, where you'll see your available credits. This section updates in real time, so you always know how many free credits you have left and when they renew. Now let's talk about earning even more free credits. Inside your dashboard, click the gift icon next to the Buy Credits button. This opens the Emergent AI Referral program. When someone joins using your link, they get 5 free bonus credits. You earn 50 credits once they complete their first paid subscription. Everything is tracked automatically inside your dashboard. And here's a bonus for you. We provide an exclusive working discount code for Emergent AI that you can use on any plan. To use it, click the link in the pinned comment, sign up, and apply the code at checkout. If you want more free credits, AI tools, and exclusive deals, subscribe and watch the next video.